here with this 2018 Toyota Highlander, and this amazing third row vehicle that has heated seats, sunroof, and a lot inside. So I am Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. You have your blacked out grille in the front with that Toyota badge in the middle. Just has a really great appearance in the front. And then you have your projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below. This has a 3.5 liter V6 engine. And looking down at your wheels, those are massive 19-inch wheels. Love the design on those. And then coming over, you could have this under your smart warranty. And if it does, it would be our 5-year, 60,000 mile max care coverage and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Then making your way over to your side mirrors, they are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and crossback detection, so it will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather heated seats. Love this design, super comfortable, power adjustable, just the whole 9 yards. Then looking at your steering wheel, you have your media controls, Bluetooth streaming, cluster controls, lane departure warning, and then your cruise controls are right there. And then looking over at your media center, tons of options. So here you have your audio, so you can have all your presets and everything. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. Then you have all of your different apps right here. So your navigation, so that'll take you right to your destination, super convenient. You also have, your audio, we already talked about that. Your phone settings, so you can make phone calls right here, connect your phone with Bluetooth. And then just everything else, all of your settings, weather, maintenance, all of that stuff can be found on those pages. And this has a backup camera, so you can see behind your vehicle. It gives you those handy guidelines as well. Then down below you have all of your climate controls. They are dual, so you can have different settings on each side of the front seat with that LCD display right there. Have a shelf down here, and then you have your other controls, traction control, all that stuff. 2 cup holders in the middle, and then here are your heated seat options right there. This does slide to open, so it gives you a really nice large center console. You have this shelf that can be moved. You have a 12-volt right there, so lots of space down below. Then looking up, you have your universal garage door openers and the controls for your sunroof. So this just gives you a nice amount of light and air coming in this front seat. And let's look at all the seats in the back. Alright, so looking at this back seat, you have quad seating, so 2 seats in the middle row and then 3 in the back. You also have this awesome cup holder right here, which you can fold down, so you can have easy access with that aisleway. You also have these armrests that can be folded up, so really flexible right here. You have your climate controls for the back, and then USB ports and a 120 volt. So these seats can fold down right here, and you can fold them down all the way if you want, or you can slide them forward. And then you have 3 seats in the back and cup holders on each side, so you have 4 cup holders in that 3rd row. Then looking up, you have your roof rack, lip spoiler in the back, LED tail lamps back here, and then you have your SE all-wheel drive badging and your Highlander badging, and a tow package, so you can bring your trailers along with you. This does have a power lift gate to get inside of the trunk, and then you have some floor mats back here, and then these seats can also fold down. So lots of options when it comes to your seating in this vehicle. So overall, you have that amazing media center, your tow package, and if you want to see this 2018 Toyota Highlander or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in my lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.